Using this very tool, you can create infographics within seconds. Let's say you want to create an infographic on the top 5 Instagram marketing tips. Enter the text prompt, click on Generate Infographics, and in just under 3 seconds, you'll have your infographic ready to go, as you can see right here with the 5 tips. On top of that, you can choose from a variety of templates like the following. I've got this one here, all retaining the 5 tips that I wanted based on my text prompt. So if you're happy with something like this template, all you need to do is download it and then you can start posting it on social media or post it on your website. Let's now dive into the tutorial and I'll show you exactly what tool can do this for you. All right, so the very tool that can convert text prompts into infographics is from PikToChart. So they've got this AI-powered infographic generator, which I'll link up in the description box below. Now, side note before I move ahead, it's not completely free, just like with most things. So they do have a free plan. You can edit, you can download and customize up to 5 infographics per day. If you're looking to generate more, of course, you can always upgrade. So first things first, to get started, make sure you sign up for an account. You can sign up with Google or sign up with your email address. Once you're in, you can take a look at the left navigation where you can see PikToChart AI. Otherwise, you can always go to Infographics and then you'll find the Infographics AI generator right here. So generate AI infographic, click once, and then this is where the text prompt will appear. Enter the text prompt of what you want the AI to produce for your infographic. So let's just use the top 5 Instagram marketing tips once again. I've entered my text prompt and I'll click on Generate Infographics. And here are the results. We've got 6 different templates or designs, and they are all different compared to the ones that I showed you at the intro of the video. You can take a look at what it looks like and the images that it used. If, for instance, you want to use or go with this template, you can always start editing the actual infographic, which is probably a question you may have. But go through each of the templates, taking a look at the layout and the design. Don't worry too much about the color aspect and all that because that can all be changed. So if you want to stick to your brand colors, then you can do so in the editing phase. I like this particular design for the Instagram marketing tips, so I'll go ahead with this and click on edit this infographic. It kind of looks like Canva, reminds me of Canva, but this is where we can visually edit our infographic. So whatever you see can be edited. Let's say Instagram marketing. We can rename this to whatever we want, or put something like Instagram, 5 Instagram marketing tips. 5 Instagram marketing tips, like so. Edit the content as we would like, and we can also replace the images like this one here. Let's say we want to replace it. We can always go into the graphics options, then to photos, and choose one from the stock photography, which by the way gets picked up from Pexels. Otherwise, you can always upload your own from My Files. You've got other elements like icons that you can add, search for whatever you want and replacing anything you want to. Text, if you want to add more text and choosing different sizes, you can do so. We've got ready-made design components too, where you can choose, let's say, a list or a timeline comparisons. Let's choose timeline and then see what we've got. So we've got this element and this one. So different kind of layout. We've got this map one. So if you want to use something like that, you can just click once and that will add it to your design. You can also customize the colors of your design, going to colors, then to suggested, and let's say we want a green theme instead. With one click, it's now changed, or red. There's also blue. But if you do want to use your own brand colors, you will need to upgrade to their paid plan. A few other options. We've got charts, maps. You saw files where you can upload your own assets and more elements right here. Once you've edited your infographic, you can head to download, or you can preview the infographic on its own just to take a look at what it looks like without all the design components. Let's go back to preview and click on download, and you'll see here download settings. We can choose PNG and different quality levels. Once again, if you are on a free plan, you are limited to the amount of designs that you can download. So I've got 2 downloads left, and I can click on download PNG if I do want to download this. So click on download PNG. Now it's generating the PNG file. All right, now here it is. I've opened it up in my image previewer. Looks all good. And from here, really, I could post it on my website, use it as an asset for press release or what have you. So gone are the days where you have to create infographics from scratch or enter your own content. With PikToChart AI, all you need to do is enter that simple text prompt and then out comes a ready-made infographic for you. Once again, link to PikToChart is in the description box below, so you can go ahead and sign up. I'm not sponsored in any way by PikToChart. I just thought this was a pretty cool tool to share with you, and it would be of value, especially if you're sharing content. But if it was valuable, by all means, give this video a thumbs up, and I'm looking forward to sharing the next tutorial with you. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.